Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is stream along present you to 10 tips how to study like topper. 1. Don't cram. It might be tempting to leave all your studying for that big exam up until the last minute, but research suggests that cramming does not improve longer-term learning. Students may perform well on a test for which they have crammed, but that doesn't mean they have truly learned the material, says an article from the American Psychological Association. Instead of cramming, studies have shown that studying with the goal of long-term retention is best for learning overall. 2. Plan ahead and stick to it. Having a study plan with set goals can help you feel more prepared and can give you a roadmap to follow. Schwab said procrastination is one mistake that students often make when transitioning to a university-level course low. 3. Ask for help. You don't have to struggle through difficult material on your own. Many students are not used to seeking help while in high school, but seeking extra support is common in college. Proactive about identifying areas where you need assistance and seek out that assistance immediately. The longer you wait, the more difficult it becomes to catch up. The Woods Academic Resource Center offers academic coaching, workshops, peer tutoring, and accountability hours for students to keep you on track. 4. Use the buddy system. Your fellow students are likely going through the same struggles that you are. Reach out to classmates and form a study group to go over material together, brainstorm, and to support each other through challenges. Having other people to study with means you can explain the material to one another, quiz each other, and build a network you can rely on throughout the rest of the class and beyond. 5. Find your learning style. It might take a bit of time and trial and error to figure out what study methods work best for you. There are a variety of ways to test your knowledge beyond simply reviewing your notes or flashcards. Before you start to read a new chapter or watch a lecture, review what you already know about the topic and what you are expecting to learn. Read or listen. Take additional notes about new information, such as related topics the material reminds you of or potential connections to other courses. Also note down questions you have. Afterward, try to summarize what you have learned and seek out answers to your remaining questions. For summer courses for high school students. 6. Take breaks. The brain can only absorb so much information at a time. According to the National Institutes of Health, research has shown that taking breaks in between study sessions boosts retention. Studies have shown that wakeful rest plays just as important a role as practice in learning a new skill. Rest allows our brains to compress and consolidate memories of what we just practiced. Make sure that you are allowing enough time, relaxation, and sleep between study sessions so your brain will be refreshed and ready to accept new information. 7. Cultivate a productive space. Where you study can be just as important as how you study. Find a space that is free of distractions and has all the materials and supplies you need on hand. Eat a snack and have a water bottle close by so you are properly fueled for your study session. 8. Reward yourself. Studying can be mentally and emotionally exhausting, and keeping your stamina up can be challenging. Studies have shown that giving yourself a reward during your work can increase the enjoyment and interest in a given task. According to an article for Science Daily, studies have shown small rewards throughout the process can help keep up motivation. Next time you finish a particularly challenging study session, treat yourself to an ice cream or an episode of your favorite show. 9. Review, review, review. Practicing the information you have learned is the best way to retain information. Researchers Elizabeth and Robert Bjork have argued that desirable difficulties can enhance learning. For example, testing yourself with flashcards is a more difficult process than simply reading a textbook, but will lead to better long-term learning. 10. Set specific goals. Setting specific goals along the way of your studying journey can show how much progress you have made. Psychology Today recommends using the SMART method. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.